Want to use your Walmart Family Mobile phone with a different carrier? Here's how. Since Walmart Family Mobile operates under Straight Talk, now part of Verizon, unlocking your phone lets you switch carriers or use it internationally. Since Walmart Family Mobile operates under Straight Talk, now part of Verizon, unlocking your phone lets you switch carriers or use it internationally. Unlocking lets you switch to a different carrier or use your phone internationally without extra roaming fees. But first, you need to meet some requirements. As of September 2025, the FCC mandates that Straight Talk unlock phones after 60 days if they're fully paid off. To be eligible, your phone must be paid off with no outstanding balance. Your account must be in good standing, active for at least 12 months for some older models, and the phone can't be reported lost, stolen, or associated with fraud. Newer 5G phones often qualify for unlocking immediately after purchase. If you meet these criteria, you're ready to request your unlock code. Now that you're eligible, let's walk through unlocking your Walmart Family Mobile phone step by step. First, gather your phone's IMEI number by dialing 06 on your phone. This unique identifier is required for the unlock request. Next, contact Straight Talk support through their app, website at straighttalk.com/unlock, or by calling 1-800-274-4483. For Walmart branded devices, use the Family Mobile portal. Provide your IMEI number and proof of purchase when requested. Once approved, you'll receive the unlock code via email, typically within 1 to 3 business days. When you receive the code, power off your phone, insert a SIM card from a different carrier, then power it back on. Enter the unlock code when prompted by the device. To verify the unlock worked, try making a call or using data with the new SIM card inserted in your phone. If you run into any problems during the process, contact Straight Talk support for assistance. Also, remember to back up your data before unlocking, as the process might reset your phone.